Before we can talk about how syncopation creates tension in music, we must first understand what syncopation is. Syncopation is simply placing stress on a note that is not normally stressed. This is a way of creating rhythmic tension in a piece of music. The two criteria for a note to be called syncopated are 1. The note must happen on either a weak beat or in between beats, and 2. The note must be emphasized by a marking such as its tenuto or marcato, or by continuing to be held over during the very next strong beat. Let's look at an example. In the following example, the syncopated note happens in between beats 1 and 2. It is then held over during the very next strong beat, beat 2. Here, the lengthening of the note on the weak pulse is what causes it to be stressed or accented where normally it would not be, thus creating a sense of rhythmic tension. Let's look at a musical example, first without syncopation and then with syncopation. As you will notice, the only difference between the first example and the second example are the tied notes. The last note of the first measure and the last note of the third measure both fall in between the beats. By holding each of these notes across into the next measure, we are lengthening the weak pulse, causing it to be stressed or emphasized where normally it would not have been. Compare both examples and see if you can hear the increase in rhythmic tension. Here's the example without syncopation. Here's the example with syncopation.